Your Royal Highnesses, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Over the past 25 years, and since Microsoft had its first presence in the country through our first office, we have been very much committed to the digital transformation journey of the kingdom. And here I am today, sharing with you the announcement of Microsoft's intent to establish the Microsoft data center cloud region in the kingdom. At launch, the data center is expected to provide a cloud capability that is an enterprise grade, which is going to provide not only the performance and reliability that is expected, but also the data residency and the customer privacy. Of course, this is an amazing news for our customers because this is not only going to help them to accelerate their digital agenda, but also is going to enable every organization in the kingdom to do more with less, leveraging all the capabilities and innovation that's existing and will be provided through our data center capability. And of course, we are expecting a lot of demand coming on the back of this data center, and hence we're going to do and establish a partnership with both the private and the public organizations in order to build capabilities and skills to augment the demand that is anticipated within the country in the coming few years. I also would like to share with you some of the highlights of a study that was made by IDC about the data center here in Saudi. So let me start with the first point, and that in terms of the job creation. It is expected that within the first 4 years, there will be about 87,000 new jobs to be introduced in the kingdom. Those are going to be a mix between what's Microsoft and partners and ecosystem are going to be hiring directly, but also this will include a lot of other organizations and customers within the market who are going to be leverage the cloud capabilities. On top of this, we're also expecting 27,000 new jobs in terms of new skills within the IT. The second one is from a local content perspective. The data center, and based on IDC study, it is anticipated that for every dollar is being spent on Microsoft Cloud in Saudi, there will be an 8 equivalent dollars that will be within the ecosystem. This is an amazing news for the local companies and for our partners, where not only they're going to accelerate their growth, but also they will contribute heavily and massively to the local content and for the transfer and knowledge and building capabilities within the country. Last but not least, in terms of the economical impact. Again, from IDC, it is expected that there will be a significant economic direct impact by the data center of Microsoft to the economy in Saudi Arabia. And this is estimated on top of the line of 2022, there is an expectation of $24 billion that will be generated by Microsoft ecosystem and our cloud-based customers in the coming 4 years. So with that, I would like to thank you all, and I hope that you're all going to enjoy the coming 4 days of leave. Thank you so much.